Your renovation is finally complete. The tiles are laid. The walls are painted. The vision is real. But what's left behind is not just beauty. It's dust, debris, and disruption. Don't let post-construction mess cloud the joy of your new space. With the right approach, you can transform your home from a construction site into the clean, healthy sanctuary it was meant to be. Let's walk through the key tips and strategies for a sparkling post-construction clean, so you can breathe easy and enjoy your renovation to the fullest. First, start thinking about cleanup before the project even begins. Talk to your contractor about site prep and protection. While they'll usually cover basics like laying tarps or floor protectors, their focus is on preventing damage, not eliminating dirt. Construction dust and grime will still accumulate. Your floors might be protected from dents, but they'll likely be dusty, streaked, or sticky. Have clear expectations about what level of cleanliness is included during and after the project, and budget accordingly for any extra cleaning services. If you're living at home during the renovation, daily cleanups will be essential. Crews will need to lay and remove protective materials each day, adding time and effort. In contrast, if you move out temporarily, the space can remain sealed and messier between shifts, which can reduce costs and speed up progress. That's something to consider when planning your project timeline and living arrangements. Now let's talk containment. To limit dust and debris from spreading, create physical barriers. Use heavy-duty tarp, sealed with masking tape from ceiling to floor, to separate the renovation zone. Add drop cloths to protect furniture and window treatments, and line high-traffic areas with paper or runners to stop dirt from spreading throughout your home. Once work begins, clear the air. Vacuum daily with HEPA vacuums, or ask your contractor to use one on site. HEPA vacuums capture ultrafine dust that standard ones miss. Run an air purifier on high 24/7 and replace filters often. For large jobs, consider renting a commercial-grade air scrubber. Open windows whenever possible. Circulation is your best friend. And seal off closets to protect clothes from airborne dust. Even with great containment, you'll still need a proper deep clean when the work is finished. Here's what that post-construction cleanup should include. Sweeping and vacuuming all surfaces, including ceilings and walls, mopping and disinfecting floors, vacuuming upholstery and fabric surfaces, wiping down doors, knobs, baseboards, and hardware. Deep cleaning kitchens and bathrooms, including appliances, cabinets, and countertops. Dusting and cleaning all window interiors, sills and frames. Cleaning vents, ducts, blinds, ceiling fans, and lighting fixtures. Polishing handles, shelves, and cabinetry. Emptying all remaining trash and construction debris. And don't forget, unless it's written into your contractor typically won't handle this level of cleaning. Most jobs end with a broom swept standard, enough to clear the big pieces, but not enough to eliminate dust or clean common areas like hallways or elevators. That's your responsibility, unless you've arranged otherwise. So, should you DIY or hire professionals? Ask yourself, do you have the energy and equipment? How long would it take? And do you have room left in your renovation budget to invest in the final clean? Professional post-construction cleaning can cost more than regular cleaning, but for good reason. The effort needed to remove stubborn dust, paint splatter, and airborne toxins is intensive. A typical deep clean for a 2,000 square foot home might start at around $500, and it's worth every cent to protect your health and investment. Cleaning isn't just about appearance, it's about well-being. Renovations release toxins, mold spores, silicates, and ultrafine dust that can linger in the air long after work is done. Freshly applied paints and finishes also release fumes. Without a proper clean, those risks remain. So whether you're hands-on or hands-off with your renovation, don't skip the final and essential step.
A thorough post-construction cleanup transforms your dream space from dusty and dangerous into something truly livable.